guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. I know I look like a freak show. It's not a Halloween look, it's a makeup trend that is going on Instagram, and this look is actually inspired by Nikkie tutorials. I saw a look that she did on this look and I absolutely loved it. She did a dramatic version which was freaking beautiful. This is called the upside down eye makeup look. It'll be fun to try it out, so I decided to try it out, and this is my take on it. It was actually a struggle. Like I said, I did not practice it, I just did it straight on camera, and I'm actually quite proud of myself for what I've achieved. It's not a makeup tutorial, it's just me trying this look. I will insert Nikkie tutorials look. If I get a picture, I'll insert it somewhere on the screen for you to see how she did her one. If you want to see how I created this look, please keep watching. Wow, this look is going to be so weird. We're actually turning the eye upside down. Let's see how it turns out. Freaky. It is so freaky. But I saw this on Nikkie tutorials channel, and I actually like the idea of flipping the eye upside down. It's Halloween come early for me. I decided to try it because I think it's going to be quite fun to achieve. Mind you, I haven't actually practiced this look, so it will be my first time trying this look, and it's going to be on camera. Can you imagine? So first of all, I'm going to be doing the normal eye first. I'm going to actually be putting a little bit of powder on top of the eyebrow to stop it from getting oily. It's not a tutorial. I'm not going to be going step by step. It is just a try. I'm going to be tracing my eyebrow like I always do. It's my best side. For some weird reason, I prefer this side of my face better than that side. It is not discriminating. I'm not discriminating at all. I'm just saying the one that... I'm going to be covering my eye with LA Pro Conceal in the color form. We're not doing the normal eye first. The easy one. We're getting it out of the way. And after we finish this one, we're just going to be tracing it. Oh, oops. That's the wrong brush. Alright, okay. Oh sugar, I forgot to wash it. Okay, now so the eyebrows are done. So we're gonna go over to do the eyeshadow. Before we do the eyeshadow, I'm going to be putting a concealer on my eyelid, and I'm going to be using the same concealer, which is the LA Pro Conceal in a color form. I'm gonna be doing practically following the same procedure as I do in all my makeup tutorials. We're gonna set the eye with again Sacha Buttercup. Again, it's the same procedure, so you set in the eye so that you're... Okay, now the eye set, so now we're going to be going on the eyeshadow. Okay, I think this one is much better. It's a bit more brighter, so we'll be using that color instead. So this one is from the Nubian, the first Nubian palette. That palette is absolutely amazing. Just to get the color a little bit more to stand out. I love this. I love this. I'm stopping there because I'm going to be using a different color for the inner corner of the eye, so I'm just going to stop there. And as you can see, I'm not blending it in, I'm just letting the color sit there because I want it to be very, very pigmented. Ooh, that color is absolutely gorgeous. Such a gorgeous color. Look at that. I'm going to be using this color, which is Fly from this palette. OMG. That is gorgeous. I'm going to be spraying it with a fix spray so that the color is a little bit more intense. Color is gorgeous. I'm going to be putting an eyelashes on, so which is the definition from Elor. I do like this brand. As we're flipping the eye upside down, you have to use the same side. So if you're using the left lashes for this one, you have to use the left lashes. So you need 2 pairs. You have to use the left lashes for this side as well, so that when you flip it upside down, it will look like the same. I'm going to be using the right. Now this eye is done. I'm going to be putting, oh, I know I look really weird. I look very weird. This eye is done. I'm going to be putting a highlighter on the brow bone. Whatever I do here, I'll be doing exactly the same on the other side as well. Because I've got a little bit of eyebrow here, I have to try and cover this eyebrow. First of all, apply glue. So I'm applying Pre-Stick right now. So I'm applying a Pre-Stick, and it's saying that to apply it going the opposite way. I hope it works. Right, and then it's saying to brush it up. So we're brushing it up like that, like so. It didn't look like that when she did it. I'm going to try again, hope it works this time. And then you have to maybe pat the powder down or something. So we'll put patting the powder down this way. Okay, I think it looks a bit better. Right, we're gonna wipe it off. My days, I look so weird with no eyebrow. The best I can do. That is the best I can do. It just doesn't seem to work for me. I'm going to be applying my foundation. I am drawing an eyebrow on my cheek. I'm going to be drawing the eyeliner. Let's see if it's going to work. Now, how are we going to do this? Okay. But okay, I'm just so that my face doesn't look too flat. I'm just gonna contour just slightly my forehead. Okay, and just put it all over my forehead and maybe the nose. I've done the eye. I think I tried. The only thing is I'm gonna have to work on the eyebrow a little bit more. It looks pretty freaky actually. I'm going to be doing my lipstick and then we are done.